Hey everyone, welcome back to CODEXICAL, your one-step destination toward everything about AI, software engineering and the upcoming trends in this field. In this video, you will see a concept of loops and its working, for loops, while loops. At the start of the video, you will see a concept of loops, and then you will go towards a lab session where you can see the implementation of loops in Python. And then at the last of the video you will see an important exercise where you can practice and get more familiar with it. So let's start our video. Loops, a core concept that allows us you to repeat actions effectively. Let's understand how loops work in simple examples. Loops help automate tasks. Instead of writing code multiple times, you can use loops to execute it rapidly until a condition is met. Loops allow you to repeat the block of code multiple times. Useful when performing repetitive tasks. If you want to run a single script of line multiple times for no reason, then you will use for. There are two main types of loops in Python. These are for loop and while loop. These two are most important in Python programming. Help you to save time when you want to run the code multiple times. For loop. The loop is used when you want to iterate over a sequence, like a list or a range of numbers. In this example, the loop prints the number from 0 to 4. Syntax is simple. We start the loop for 4 and then the variable and then in and then the sequence. How much you want to run how many times you want to run the loop, the sequence, and then the block of code you want to run in loop. That code will be run according to the sequence you have given to the for loop. In this example, you see I've used for I variable in range 5. This simply prints a number from 0 to 4. It runs 5 times and prints number from 0 to 4. The while loop. The while loop keeps running as long as its condition is true. This is useful when you don't know the advance how many times you need to run the loop. Its syntax is simple. You start with the while and then the condition where you can write and it will run according to the condition. You will see the simple example. In this, count is assigned as a count variable as assigned 0 as a starting point, and then while condition count is less than 5 colon. This means if the count is less than 5, it will run. So it will print count and then go toward the count plus is equal to 1. It simply increases the count number by 1. As it is 0, then it plus 1 creates a 1. When the second time it goes toward the while condition, then this value becomes an increment after one iteration. So now it is 1, then it's go towards condition. If condition is true, then it will run independently and then count until the condition will be false. If there is 5 less than 5, then this condition would be false and then it will simply stop down. It will also print number from 0 to 4. Here's a quick recap. Use loops when you know how many times you want to repeat that loop. And use while loop when you keep looping until the condition changes. So this is the simple lab session program where we can practice it out. Write a program that prints number from 1 to 10 using both for and while loops. So let's start with the lab session. We can practice this program. So as you have learned the concept of loops, now I will implement it in Python. So let's start. Firstly, I will write a program, same code with multiple lines, such as print this is a book, and then I will copy and paste it until I want to print it. I will save it, Control S, Python / loop.py, enter. As you see, the line of code is printed on screen, and then you want to I have a simple fix for it. You don't want to write this same code for multiple lines. We will use loops at that time to overcome this problem. So I will remove this and start with for loop. For variable name in range where you want how many times you want to run the code. So I will set the range of 10, just like I want to print that time 10 times on screen, that line of code. Don't miss the spacing in this. This simply prints this is a book on screen 10 times. So I will save it and run it. As you see, it is run. This I will start from 0. Its initial value is 0. So it will start from 0 to 10. So if I want to print this I section in this, so I will write this book is printed curly braces, and then the variable you want to print. I will write I will save it and run it. First you want to write F at that place, so then the proper formatting works. Then hit enter. As you see, it starts from 0 to 9 because it's run 10 times. As it starts from 0, so that's why the ending digit would be 9. So it totally runs about 10 times on screen. Now I will create a program which simply prints the number from 1 to 10. Now I will print the number from 1 to 10. So let's start. I will use for loop for this. For I variable in range, set the range as 1 to 10. So I will write an increase sign of 11 because it simply prints from 1 to 10, not 11. In this, as the loop has set the range, then you will write whatever you want to print. I will write print variable I. So as the code runs, every time it iterates the I value of I and increase it order according to the range set on it. So I will save it and run it. As you see, the printed screen from 1 to 10 numbers are printed. So I will print this with the help of while loop. So I will change the condition. So I will use while loop for this. While condition number is less than equal to 10. First I will assign the number variable, so whereby I want to start with, I will start with 1 So in this case, I will print the number variable, print number, and then I will use the iterator for this. Number plus is equal to 1. Every time it increases one time the value of number until the condition meets it, it will run according to that condition. So I will save it and run it. As you see, the condition is true until the 10 meets the condition. So I have a quick exercise for you. Create a program that prints the even number from 2 to 30. It's very easy. Practice it out at your own. As you have learned the concept of loops, while loops and for loops. If you get stuck in any concept of for loop and while loop, then comment down. I will fix it for you. So complete the exercise I have provided in this video. And in the next video you will see about lists. And don't miss to subscribe our channel because subscription is really important for us. So see you in the next video.